and put your arms by your side. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is a functional leg length analysis. I'm using something called a deep tendon reflex.
Whoop.
It's okay, we'll drop those flip-flops. And you're showing that you have a shorter leg on your right side. So go ahead and turn your head to the right. Back to the middle. Turn your head to the left. Back to the middle. All right, so we're gonna come and test out your atlas, which is giving us a reading here. And then I double check by testing it in the opposite direction. Perfect. Go and take a deep breath in and out. A little bit of a sting. I know. That's as rough as it gets though. Go ahead and turn your head to the right again. Back to the middle. Left. Back to the middle. And we can see when we bring Brandy's feet like this, can you feel how your left side is not going as close to your butt as the right?
Yep.
All right. That's usually tension in that sacrum. And I'm going to use the pelvic drop piece to correct that. That's what it's going to feel like, okay?
Yep.
And you can see now they're going even. Can you feel the difference, Brandy?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Perfect. Go ahead and put your right hand on your low back. Back down. Left hand to low back. Back down. Both hands on your low back. Back down. Right. So we're adjusting her L1. And then I'm going to retest and make sure it actually did clear up. Both hands low back. Back down. Great, and there's still something showing up there. So then I just go in and test segments in certain ways to get the right line of correction. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Right.
Yeah, if you weren't asking me to participate, I could probably take a nap right now. It's that gentle that.
Yeah, you asked earlier, does it hurt? Well, you can see how rough it actually gets. It's not very rough at all. And we are complete.
Nice.
Come on up.
Yay!